Hello everyone, this is Dietitian Smeetal Pereira. Since 21st September is celebrated as World Alzheimer's Day, in this video I am looking to create awareness about nutrients to improve brain health and quality of life of people living with dementia, as well as support their caregivers for better management of the condition and remove the stigma attached to impaired cognitive function.
Cognitive impairment is characterized by difficulty in performing cognitive functions such as planning, remembering, language skills, attention, and visuospatial skills. When the impact on these everyday abilities is significant, it suggests dementia. Dementia is a syndrome affecting memory, thinking, behavior, and the ability to perform everyday activities, usually chronic or progressive by nature, indicating malfunctioning of the brain.
Dementia is linked to several underlying brain pathologies, of which Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, dementia with Lewy bodies, and frontotemporal dementia are the most common. The boundaries between these subtypes are difficult to define and mixed forms exist.
Development of Alzheimer's disease is directly linked to occurrence of central obesity and high visceral fat in midlife. Comorbidities such as hyperinsulinemia, vascular and cerebrovascular diseases increases the risk of development of Alzheimer's, as these are mediated by higher fat levels in the body, which interfere with clearance of beta amyloid plaques and may cause damage to the brain's functioning. Fat tissues produce inflammatory cytokines and adipokines such as adiponectin, leptin, and resistin, which have direct effects on hippocampus region of the brain that is implicated in dementia and affects cognitive function. Advanced glycation end products are found in trans fats and unhealthy fatty food. These are found both in amyloid plaques and in fibrillary tangles. The glycation of amyloid oligomers enhances the aggregation into insoluble plaques seen in Alzheimer's disease and may facilitate neuronal damage.
Now that we are aware of how high amounts of unhealthy fats negatively impact brain health, we will look at certain nutrients and foods that help to improve the functioning of the brain and delay cognitive impairment. For enhancing brain health, one of the most effective diet is the Mediterranean diet.
Mediterranean diet consists of high intake of cereals, fruits, fish, legumes, and vegetables. This diet is rich in unsaturated fatty acids, its main source being olive oil, and low intake of meat, poultry, and saturated fatty acids. Dairy product intake, especially yogurt and cheese, tend to be low to moderate. Mediterranean diet could reduce the risk of dementia through its effects on the vascular system, reducing cardiovascular disease by increasing the concentration of plasma neutrophils, which protect neurons against oxidative stress, or by limiting pro-inflammatory cascades.
Now, let us have a look at the nutrients and their food sources that help to improve brain health and better cognitive function. The first nutrient that comes to my mind while talking about brain health are B vitamins such as vitamin B6, B9 and B12.
These B vitamins play a key role in cell metabolism, synthesis of hemoglobin, neurotransmitters, and nerve sheaths of the neural cells. When there is deficiency of vitamin B9 and B12, homocysteine levels shoot up that predisposes to cardiovascular diseases, as well as amyloid and tau protein accumulation and neuronal death. Food sources of vitamin B6 or pyridoxine includes multigrain bread, eggs, fish, peanuts, poultry, and soya. Folate or vitamin B9 is present in broccoli, brown rice, Brussels sprouts, chickpeas, and spinach, whereas vitamin B12 or cobalamin is found in cod fish, salmon, organ meat, eggs, and dairy products. Next in line are the antioxidants. Neural inflammation and oxidative damage are the key mechanisms in the development of dementia. Oxidative stress directly damages cell components, resulting in damage to synapse and nerve cell death. Antioxidants are thought to act against neurodegeneration by limiting the production of toxic substances and reducing damage by free radicals. Antioxidants include several different nutrients such as vitamin C, E, and flavonoids. Vitamin E present in nuts, oil seeds, olive oil, and wheat germ is associated with gene expression, cell signaling, and neurological functioning. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is found in amlas, citrus fruits, blueberries, broccoli, and bell peppers, whereas flavonoids, which are responsible for the natural color of the fruits and vegetables, help with controlling the inflammation and oxidative damage to the brain cells. The final brain health related nutrient that we will be discussing is omega-3, which is a polyunsaturated fatty acid that is implicated in neuronal growth and influence synapse formation, amyloid pathways of dementia, and are therefore potentially important in vascular dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The main food sources of omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acid are oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, fresh tuna, and swordfish. Putting all brain-friendly nutrient facts together, I would like to share a poster that I had prepared for a recent competition titled Nutrition Against Neurodegeneration, for which I secured a second position.
Now that we are aware that dementia and Alzheimer's disease are nothing but medical conditions, it is not appropriate to stigmatize those living with dementia. In fact, we should lend our supporting hand to their caregivers and be empathetic to them, because today it is them and tomorrow it may be one of us. The least you could do to help others is to share this video with people in your social circle so that they start taking care of their brain health and may not have to suffer such medical conditions later on in life.
If you have any nutrition related queries or need to consult for improving brain health, kindly connect with me on 9148010138. Thank you.